Alright, my friends, so in this section we will take our API skills to the intermediate level and we will build another example. Depends on different, or we will consume different API than we have previously. So in the previous section we have learned about basics APIs, how we can make HTTP requests, get data from a server or from an API and display it in our application. This is the example that we have worked with. It's really straightforward, just we are displaying some sort of images in a very specific style. And we have some links that will take us to the original image or the profile for this specific user. And what we are going to build in this section, let me show you the final result. Here is the final result that we will be built. First of all, we will consume different API that will give us more information, like for example the time for this image as well as for the likes, and we will use this information to make some like sorting stuff. Okay, we can sort this information in an order as well. So this is the stuff that we have learned about previously, but in this example we will do this kind of stuff in let's say in our we will be using some of the forms as well as API skills. And not only that, if you take a look here on these images, we have a links to the profile for the image as well as, or profile for this specific user, as well as we can view the original image. And here if you hover on the name here where it says by this name right here, if you hover on any one of these, it's a link. And if I click on this link, it's gonna take us to the profile. We are gonna get this profile or this profile for this specific user. We will get his name, here the bio or the description, his image, and as well as to a link for his profile on Unsplash, which is the API that we will consume, as well as some of the images that is being uploaded by this specific user. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it's quite a bit good work that we will be we will put the React router, the API skills, as well as some forms and sorting stuff in one example. So this is not a very advanced, it's just an intermediate stuff that we can really consume, because this application will be bigger than what we have previously, and it will be also smaller than what we are going to do in the next section. So I just want to take you step by step from basic example, intermediate, all the way to the advanced topics. Thank you, my friends, so much for watching. Hopefully you like it. See you in the next one.